I beg fuck me, not begging. A blood clot. Make we see what we can hold out longer. You stinker. You fucking bad mind bitch. Make it look like you not get no comfort, you not get no pleasure out of fuck. Yes. And me alone want fuck and like a favor you grant me. You want to kill your blood clot, you think of your pussy. Eh? God give you my things to keep for me. I'm ready for me things. What you want me to beg for? Me a demand that bumbo clot unless me no want you know. Kind of fear. God give her to keep for me and my blood clot one. I'm ready for me things and don't give me no trouble you know. Like you want me to satisfy your needs and your demands and all them pussy clot them before you give me things. That's what you do. How you do and I broke my arm, bro? You believe me, you know the joke with my arm, bro? Somebody dead to blood clot and me I go to prison. What? Oh, beg your pussy. Unless your pussy sick to blood clot you will get away now. But when you not sick down.